Let's talk traction devices. These things can make winter hiking safer, but only when they're matched to the conditions of the trails. For most winter hiking on trails, micro spikes like these, they're sometimes called ice cleats. They're probably the most useful option. They provide grip with these little spikes here. The grip is great on packed snow and ice, and they still allow a natural walking motion because they're kind of short. They're easy to put on and take off, which matters when conditions change. Now, crampons, I don't have a pair of crampons to show you. I rarely use them because they're designed for steep technical terrain and hard ice. They're usually unnecessary and sometimes unsafe on typical hiking trails, especially when the conditions alternate between ice and bare ground. The difference is that crampons, they have the long spikes. That makes them hard to walk on a surface that's solid. You lose your balance on them because they put your foot up too high. Just an FYI, the term crampons has been used by many people and stores as a generic term that covers both true crampons as well as micro spikes. These were called crampons when I bought them online. Snowshoes. Snowshoes are helpful if you have deep, soft snow where you would otherwise sink down into the snow. They make your feet bigger and keeps you up on the snow. They're more of a flotation, not a grip. So snowshoes on packed trails, they can actually be slippery. So don't use them on trails, use them in the deeper snow. Now, one important point, traction isn't something you put on once and forget. It's a tool you manage. Many hikers carry traction tools like this only to put them on when they need them. That's why these fold up so tightly. So remember, you may need to take your gloves off to put them on or take them off. If they're not easy to do with gloves on, you might want to look at a different traction device. Good traction, it increases your safety, but only when combined with attention and judgment. So use good judgment, use these also. I've been on hikes where the trail got slippery. I did a hike once where we were hiking with the group on a paved road that they plowed through the park. And because the plow went through, it packed the snow down. It was icy in spots. I almost took a spill a couple of times. I wish I had put my micro spikes on. So pay attention, watch where you're walking as well. But these are a great thing to have if you are going to go on ice or slippery trails.